Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Dikshita Priyadas, and I'm pursuing my MSW from Christo Jayanti University. And today I'm going to present on my topic, which is functional theory of casework. So let's talk about some before functional theory. What is functional theory and its introduction? Is functional theory in casework was developed by Jesse Taft and Virginia Robinson. It is completely based on Otto Range's ideas and it mainly focuses on the function of the agency and client self-determination. Here, it mainly focuses on the client. The whole focus is on client and helping them to make the independent choices by the client. Then the historical background here was influenced by Otto Range's theory of will and relationship, reaction against the diagnostic Freudian approach, and emphasized clients' active participation and agency purpose. So the functional theory was influenced mainly by Otto Range's ideas of about people's will and relationship. It came as a reaction against the Freudian method, which was completely diagnostic approach and focused much on the analyzing problem, but instead of that this theory focus is on client to encourage the client to take an active role in solving their problems and focused on the purpose of the agency helping them. Then main characteristics of this theory is time limited. It focuses on short-term and goal-oriented work rather than on long-term. Client-centered. Client is active participant here and is responsible for of his or her choices. Then present and future oriented, focus on the current issues and growth rather than on past. Then collaborative relationship, works and worker and client work together, collaborative relationship. Self-determination, client chooses and directs their change process. The client itself chooses its own steps and choices and is responsible for their own choice. Then purposeful use of agency. Agency provides structure, resources, and purpose. The agency helps the client for facilitating smoothly in a society and function properly. The role of the social worker here, it helps the client's uh, facilitator of clients' growth and self-determination. The help client grow and make their own decision. Use the agency's purpose meaningfully to support the client. Then build a trusting cooperative relationship with the client. Guide clients to use their time and chances wisely. Help them set realistic and future focused goals. Application of functional theory. It can be used in casework, counseling, and rehabilitation centers. It is also applicable in individual and family settings. Effective in short-term intervention program. It is not a long-term process. It's always focused on short-term, goal-oriented. Then promotes client empowerment and decision-making skill. Advantage of this theory is empowers the client and promotes independence. It is time efficient and focused, strengthens agency client partnership, encourage self-awareness and responsibility, practical for modern social work settings. These are some of the advantages. Now let's discuss about disadvantage or limitations of this theory. So some of the limitation is that it may overlook deep-seated emotional psychological issues. It may miss deep emotional or psychological problems of the client. It is time limitation might restrict deeper work. Limited time can stop the deeper help or understanding of the client. Needs a clear purpose and structure in the agency. Not good for clients needing long-term therapy or care. Then the summary here, it focuses on the role of the agency and the relationship with the client and the client's will. Then encourages self-determination, client's own choice, and working together for change. In short, functional theory is is based completely on agency and client and purposeful relationship. Thank you so much.